Imagine you live in a big apartment building. The building has one main address, but inside it, there are many flats. If there were no flat numbers, delivery people would be confused. They'd reach the building, but wouldn't know where to go inside. This is exactly the problem subnets solve. Think of an IP address as the building's address. It tells data which network to reach. But large networks have many devices inside them: servers, laptops, phones, printers. A subnet is like dividing the building into floors or sections. Each subnet groups related devices together so traffic stays organized. For example, one subnet can be for web servers, another subnet for databases, and another for employees' laptops. Why do we do this? Because it makes the network faster, safer, and easier to manage. Devices in the same subnet can talk directly, while traffic between subnets can be controlled and secured. So in simple words, an IP address tells you which building to reach, and a subnet tells you which part of the building to go to. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials and tech explanations.